All right, fifth graders. For this assignment, the first thing you're going to need to do is watch another video, the one where I go through my slideshow about me. You can learn a little bit about me, and then you'll get to share some more about yourself, because the second thing you're going to do is you're going to write me a letter. So you are already on Schoology watching this video. When you clicked on it, it probably took you to the assignment part. You're going to have to switch to the My Document part. Now, bear with me because I can't always see the student view. So sometimes we might have to work out if something's not working how it's supposed to. But for this assignment, you should be going to the My Document part so that it'll pull up the blank Google Doc for you to write your letter. We'll come back to the other part a little bit later. So it'll open up your letter. Now you're going to start with a greeting. So, dear Mrs. Morrison, since you're writing the letter to me, you'll enter it in. Now I've already changed the font and the size. I'll show you how to do that in just a minute. So now you are going to tell me about yourself. You can make connections with my slideshow or tell me anything you like. No pressure to share anything that would make you uncomfortable. I just want to get a chance to know you, especially since we're not seeing each other in person. It's even more important that I learn things about you so I can be the best teacher possible. Now, once you've typed some things, if you highlight it, then you can go up here to change the size. Now, I don't want it too much bigger than 14 because I do want you to write about a half a page or more, but I don't want it to just be really big writing. And then you can change the font if you want. Sometimes I make you choose more boring fonts, but for this you can choose whatever font you would like. All right. Now, one thing to note, if I tell you something like this, I read the book Ballad of Songbirds and Snakes, but maybe I made a mistake in my spelling and I forgot an L in the word ballad. Notice how it underlines it in red. If I go put my mouse on it and I click on it, it'll tell me what it suggests. Now, that won't always be right, but sometimes that'll say, oh, yep, that's the word that I meant to type. Now, sometimes with names, it'll think it's spelled wrong and it's not. So just know that sometimes it'll get confused with certain words. But that's a good tip to help you do your best writing. I just want to see what you can write and get to know you. So just do the best you can as far as spelling and grammar. Don't forget to write in complete sentences and all that. Now, once you are done with this, you're going to go back to Schoology, and it should look like this. Okay, you should be on My Document, and you should see a spot where you can submit your assignment. Make sure you click that button so that you can go on to the next part of your pathway, and so that I can see your letter. Don't forget that part. That part is important. All right, hopefully that explains how you're going to be writing to me. Make sure to ask any questions. I won't always be available immediately if I'm in a meeting, but I will get back to it as soon as I can. Good luck!